Hey everyone, 2021 Maine rifle season. Took 18 days to get it done. He was the third buck I had seen. I saw a little 6-pointer, which I got some video of. Not the best quality, but it is in there towards the end. And saw a nice rack buck, but just couldn't shoulder my rifle fast enough to get onto him. This one ended up walking in, and here's some good photos of my grandfather's deer. 2 years in a row, got himself a buck on the 4th day of November. 84 years old and still out there getting it done. So hope you enjoy, and if you like, subscribe, and hopefully we can bring you some more content. Hopefully New Hampshire and Vermont. Thank you. You always get some good conversation in the morning in the man.
I was up at 30 pounds when I did a little while ago.
Dash all dead.
That's why you're cranky.
Center screen gone.
What? You're bigger than you think? 159, 160.
Nice.
That's a nice buck.
Who said 160?
I said 170.
I said 160 yesterday.
Meh. Meh.
Hey everybody, so I know the video off my Tacticam on my gun at 4:20 at night gets a little dark. I tried to edit it the best I could, but I do have a video off my trail cam that's right on the scrape. You'll see that in just a second, up close shot footage. Hey everyone, it's 4:30, I think. At 4:20 I stood up. I was getting ready to get out of my stand, and just happened to look behind me before I got up. I see a buck coming up the ridge, and he was coming right for a ground scrape that I knew he had made. So I gave him 2, and this is the end result. I'll show you where I shot him. Gave him his first shot right here. He's right at this ground scrape. First shot now. I'm sorry, my flashlight's in my bag, but don't worry, he didn't go far. If you look right over there, see that big old white belly? Didn't go 30. And I think he's the buck I was after. Or one of the 2. We're gonna find out. Just let me check. Always like to make sure. Not a super big body, but I'll take him. He is dead, and he is the buck I was after. Oh yes! Oh my god! It is him. Oh heck yeah! He's got himself a little devil horn. Look at that pretty boy. Dear Lord, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
this is like the whole year of the deer.
Yeah.
And 5 years ago we had that polar vortex.
Yeah.
That's my theory anyways, I don't know.
Right.
There's got to be some reason why.
Oh, he might break 170. 171 and a half.
Short body.
172.
172. Yeah, short body.
72.
Nice. I'll take that.
Nothing wrong with that. Shit.
Heck yes. 172. Wow, I thought he was a lot smaller than that, boy. Woohoo! Nice.
We'll send this thing,